Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat, welcome again to our 365 daily devotion. Our topic for today is humility makes us wiser every day. And our scripture for today is Proverbs chapter 11 verse 2. When pride comes, then comes disgrace, but with humility comes wisdom. So sinasabi sa verse na to na kapag tayo is mapagmataas or we are a prideful person, laging dulot nun is kahihiyan. Kasi kapag ikaw mapagmataas ka, parang feeling mo you're above everyone. Kapag once na nagkaroon ka ng mistake, magiging kahihiyan mo yun. Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng loss of dignity, magkakaroon ka ng disgrace na tinatawag. Kasi nga mataas yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. But on the other hand, with humility comes wisdom. So kung ikaw naman is mapagkumbaba ka, magkakaroon ka ng mga knowledge and you can apply it on your daily life and you will be wiser. Ibig sabihin, mas nagiging stronger ka para kapag dumating yung mga next na problems is you know what to do. Kasi nga, nagpakumbaba ka, you ask help for the Lord and then He gave you strength, and kasi kapag ikaw nagpakumbaba ka sa Panginoon, siya ang magtataas sa'yo. Our first teaching is pride leads to disgrace. So, kung mahilig tayo na magmataas, ang kasunod nun, lagi natin isipin na ang kasunod nun is kahihiyan. Kasi kung ikaw mapagmataas ka na tao, number one thing na ayaw mo is ang mapahiya. And kahit gaano pa kataas yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, kahit gaano ka pa ka-pride, ang next nun is disgrace. Second, humility leads to wisdom. So, ikaw kung mapagpakumbaba ka na tao, nagkakaroon ka ng knowledge, and yung knowledge na yun, nagiging wisdom yun kasi you apply what you learn. And ganun yung humility. Ibig sabihin, nag-a-accept ka ng mga new learnings kasi alam mo na people are continue to grow. People are tend to change, and flexible ka para mag-adjust sa change na yun. Pride fails and humility succeeds. So kahit gaano pa tayo kagaling sa tingin natin, kahit gaano pa kataas yung tingin natin sa sarili natin, we will not succeed kung masyado tayo mapagmataas. Dapat humble lang tayo, lahat ng corporate nataas natin sa Panginoon, and siya ang magtataas sa atin. Kaya nga, our first application is avoid pride as it leads to disgrace. So kung ayaw natin ma-loss of dignity, ayaw natin mapahiya, ayaw natin ang kahihiyan, tigilan natin ang pagiging mapagmataas at ma-pride. Kailangan magpakumbaba tayo kasi ang nagmamahaling mapagkumbaba and lahat na nagpapakumbaba ay itinataas ng Diyos ay yung mga nagsasucceed sa life. Second, be humble as it leads to wisdom. So kung gusto natin maging wise everyday, maging wise person, magkaroon tayo ng humility, maging humble tayo, and don't think that you're above everyone else or kahit sa kanino man. Huwag mong isipin na mas mataas ka just because you achieve something or just because you have more money and all. Kailangan kahit nasa iyo na ang lahat, yung paa mo pa rin nakatapak sa lupa and yung noo mo lang ang nakataas dahil you are glorifying God. And last but not the least, keep on improving as it leads to success. So when you are humble, you know na hindi ka perfect. You make mistakes, and those mistakes, you can learn from them. And then kapag nakakaalam ka ng mga bagong kaalaman, mga bagong knowledge, you keep on improving, and it will lead you to success because a humble person is humble enough to think and to accept criticism, especially to ask help sa Panginoon.